I have a quest for this year, and that is to get into VR. And I figured the best way to get into VR would probably be with the Meta Quest 3. Um, I don't know if this might be a bit washed out because it's so bright white, but yeah, the Meta Quest 3, that's why I said Quest in the beginning. It was this whole thing. I figure I'll do my best to unbox it for you guys. The little pull tags. I'm actually not used to any other product besides Apple products having the pull tag, but I guess that's probably why many companies have adopted the pull tag now. I gotta be very careful with this because I don't know if I told you guys. Yes, being very careful involves just tearing it away. Okay. I'm not sure if I told you guys, but I have been doing research on this. Okay, I just thought I'd do my best to get some sort of top-down view. It's not a perfect top-down view, but you guys get the idea. That top-down view was provided with another device, a webcam. In fact, I'll put it in the link in the description below, but hit the Meta Quest 3. I know it's not the perfect unboxing, but I don't have an overhead camera right now, so this is the best I can do. As you can see, here's one of that looks like the left one. Yeah, feels like the left one. This feels like the right one because right here. And then this is the headset itself. Brilliant. I I love it already. And then finally, the last thing in the box is this that we're going to probably open it the way it was not intended to be opened by any means, because we are not the best at opening stuff, but open it we will nonetheless. And we finally got it open. Well, open enough. Okay. So this is the charging brick. Now I'm going to hold on to this brick because I don't want to use one of my other bricks because I don't know if any of my other bricks do too much wattage, and I do not want it to feed back into anything and possibly destroy anything. Here is the cable, USB-C to USB-C for the charging cable. Here's some little instruction stuff. And yeah, there we go. Meta Quest 3. Oh yeah, I can't wait to test it out. I'll let you guys know my full review on it in the future and stuff once I've had the chance to sort of test it out and everything. But till then, I'll catch you guys in the future. Later.